and welcome to UTrip podcast. We are coming to you live from Sate 2026 Yashobhumi, right at the heart of India's biggest travel and tourism marketplace. Over the next few minutes, we will be talking to one of our travel agents to understand what is really shaping the travel industry this year. Let's get started. So, to start us off, could you please introduce yourself in one line, your name, your company name, and the city that you operate from?
Okay, my name is Ashish and I'm from Chandigarh and I operate Travel Blink, which I started with my friend and now I'm running it on my own. So, yeah.
Okay, all right. So, with everything that is going digital these
Mhm.
days, why do you think the clients would still prefer travel agents?
Actually, the thing is, many of them do not want to take the hassle of, searching around, wandering around, and, ending like in the end, ending up like with a bad accommodation or bad location where market is not nearby or anything like that. So that's why they are more relied on travel agencies still. And also, there is a caretaker for them for the entire journey, and that's why they still prefer it. And
Okay.
yeah, that's why we are also growing. This is the
All
reason.
right, all right. Okay, so we'll just quickly kick start our rapid fire question round,
Okay.
where I would expect you to keep your answers short, crisp, concise, and as witty as possible if you
True.
want.
True.
So, budget clients, are they a blessing or a stress test?
Just
Okay. If you could instantly solve one problem in travel industry, what would that be?
it would be pricing.
Okay. What message would you like to give to the travel agents watching this?
Don't give any fake information or to the customers. Make them clear so that they will come back to you and give you more clients.
Okay. Choose one. Booking via online portals or building personal relationships with travel companies.
Building personal relationship with travel.
Okay. What is the most common excuse you hear for delayed payments from your clients?
Some people say salary, some people say we have not decided yet. So many people have this thing that they make plans like on the last spot, or you can say
Okay.
near to the travel date.
Okay. What is one myth about travel agents that is completely wrong?
Myth is that they are earning too much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Weekend work, is it normal or is it a nightmare?
Weekend work for travel agencies?
Yeah.
No, it's fine.
Normal?
Normal.
Okay. What does good service truly mean to you?
Good service is when on the last day, when you call the customer and they say, yeah, everything was fine.
Okay, that,
And they
that
don't
sounds
complain.
great. Of course. So now coming back to the business side of things after our rapid fire round, what is your travel business best known for?
My travel business is best known for I always give the group a tour guide so that in the entire journey they don't have to call anyone or contact anyone, and the travel guide is the whole responsible person for them and take care of everything.
Okay. What all destinations do you majorly deal in?
So I deal in Kashmir, Himachal, and not entire Uttarakhand but Rishikesh, and now I'm exploring more things, so that's why I'm here.
Okay, all right. What is the most unique client request you have received so far?
Unique client request. So unique. I have had one client for Kasol. So the unique was that they wanted a premium pet friendly accommodation. I searched for a while and I got that accommodation,
Okay, all right.
and they were very happy.
Okay. What is the most underrated struggle in a travel agent's life?
Underrated. I told you the thing is pricing. Searching for the best price so that you can give the same to the customer and you can also get paid for that. This is the main issue.
All right. We'll talk about industry realities now.
Okay.
What is one thing online portals cannot replace?
I think authenticity cannot be replaced.
Okay. What is the biggest change you have seen in today's Indian traveler?
Actually, what I have seen is majorly most of the thing has gone from offline to online, like from bus to like government buses are also on the portals and you can book it, which you have to go to the bus stand or something like that. So this is the major thing, like everything you can book online. There is no such thing that can't be booked.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, looking ahead, where do you see your travel business 5 years from now?
5 years from now, I am seeing my business like I want to cover most of the major attractions in India, and especially I want to promote Kashmir and some parts of Himachal, which is still unexplored. Yeah.
Okay. So, if an agent wants to grow in the industry, what is the first thing that they need to fix
They need to fix for what? Like,
if they want to grow in the industry?
okay, okay, okay.
That's something that they need to improve or they need to work
I guess
upon.
customer service, quick replies, quick packages
Okay.
is the solution. Yeah.
Okay. And in just one word, okay,
Mhm.
why should someone book with your company?
So the thing is, we make packages where we have seen the properties, we have seen the caretakers, and then we decide that we need to give it to the client or not.
Okay.
So these are like, you can say, personally picked accommodations.
All right. So before we wrap up, I would love for you to look into the camera and share one piece of advice for your fellow travel agents watching this.
So I would say give a clear information to the customers, because I have heard many feedbacks from customers that they were promised something, they have received something else. So this gives a major impact to the customers for not booking through travel agencies and book by themselves. So this is the major thing, that be true to the customers. The customer will definitely come back to you and give you more customers. That's how we work.
All right. Thank you for joining us today here at SATE 2026. I hope that the viewers watching this, especially those from the travel industry,
All right.
I hope that they gain something insightful, something meaningful from our discussion.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.